we want to challenge these ministries to undertake a nationwide audit of the centers that exist. What do we have as a country? We're talking about ECD centers, home-based centers, there's different packages offered in the different settings within which ECD presents itself. But can we do an audit of all these facilities to establish where we are at and then determine how much further, what capacity gaps exist, and then be able to support these centers to move towards the ideal?
The fact is, many children in Uganda are learning under unsafe environments. And also, the incident that happened in Gaba is not the first. We've had so many children who have either who have lost their lives or who have been hurt in different school environments. So that's why, as NECDA, we are calling upon government to help us and officially launch the policy, security, in that every school is held accountable. If you're running an ECD center, you know that ABCD must be available.
If you see something, report it. If you see something that may put the safety of children at risk, report it. When you are choosing a school for your child, be aware of the safety measures and standards, basic safety measures and standards that government is going to put up now that we are calling upon government to urgently launch the early childhood care and education policy. Can you know what these safety measures and standards are? Can we know that teachers are supposed to be trained? And indeed, when you're choosing a school for your child, ensure that the teachers there are trained and they are given constant training and refresher training. Can you ensure that basic safety measures are in place? For example, there is a ring fence around that school. Can you ensure that that school or nursery school where you're putting your child is separate from a primary school? Because sometimes harm to those children comes from older children.